as you can, which I love rainy nights. Yes, it's a little. We have other vampires in other rooms, and I just thought we'd just chill out a little bit. No, we ain't chasing hunters. We are not tying them up or killing them or anything. We are just going to look at the rain as it cascades off the window. Of course, in Paris, it's been raining all day, which we vampires, we can go out in it. Not like a sunny day where I'm always sleeping. I really appreciate you YouTubers. I know some of you don't watch my channel, but that's okay. We will forgive you for that. Well, I will. Now, as I eat my croissant, you in the rain see it cascading off. It is cascading off that window over there. You see? You see that window over there? It is right there. Notice the rain coming down. Do you ever see it go up? No, I don't think so. Rain does not go up. It only comes down. Well, in Paris, you never know. Anyway. These vampires are very loud tonight, aren't they, my friends? But that's quite alright. We don't care. We love crowds. We love people, don't we? Especially vampires and humans. See how it's cascading down? I'll be a weatherman. You see how it's cascading down like this? Come down, 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 down. At least my window is getting washed from the outside, not the inside. That's cool stuff right there, you see. There's my vampire finger. Hey, how you doing? And anyway, uh, I am eating a croissant. We'll see. I think I'm gonna end this here and think of something else to do. Bonjour.